Sure. Here's a 550-word YouTube video script for a review of the 2025 Bentley Continental GT, formatted in paragraph form without headings or brackets, and including your channel name USA Cars Diaries. Welcome back to USA Cars Diaries, your go-to destination for the latest, most detailed car reviews from across the globe. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic Grand Tourers ever made, the Bentley Continental GT. This luxurious powerhouse has returned for 2025 with some exciting updates. Whether you're here for the opulence, performance, or pure road presence, stick around, we're covering everything you need to know. The 2025 Bentley Continental GT keeps its legendary silhouette but comes with a sleeker front fascia and newly designed LED matrix headlights that enhance its road appeal. Bentley has updated the grille and added subtle chrome accents, which give it a modern touch without losing its classic charm. Most notably, the 2025 model is now offered with Bentley's new ultra-performance hybrid powertrain, setting a new benchmark in luxury grand touring. So what's new for 2025? The biggest headline is the introduction of a plug-in hybrid model that pairs a twin-turbocharged V8 with an electric motor, producing an astounding 771 horsepower. This makes the Continental GT not only one of the most powerful but also one of the most environmentally conscious models in Bentley's history. The exterior refresh includes new wheel options and more custom paint finishes from Bentley's Mulliner division. Inside, there's updated tech and refined materials to further enhance an already lavish cabin. As for pricing, the 2025 Continental GT starts around $245,000 for the base V8 model. If you're stepping up to the hybrid or the higher performance speed trims, expect to cross the $300,000 mark. But considering the craftsmanship and cutting-edge tech you're getting, this is a car that delivers unmatched value in the ultra-luxury segment. Under the hood, the new ultra-performance hybrid pairs Bentley's twin-turbo V8 with an electric motor for jaw-dropping performance. You get 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. Power is delivered through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, offering crisp shifts and seamless acceleration. Whether you're cruising the Pacific Coast Highway or tearing up a track, this Grand Tourer delivers performance and poise in perfect balance. Despite all that power, Bentley's hybrid system offers a surprising touch of efficiency. The estimated real-world MPG is about 23 combined, with an all-electric range of around 30 miles for short urban trips. That's quite impressive for a nearly 5,000-pound luxury coupe. Step inside and you're greeted with one of the most exquisite interiors on the market. Diamond-quilted leather, hand-finished wood veneers, and knurled metal knobs create a sense of old-world craftsmanship blended with modern flair. The seats are incredibly comfortable, offering heating, ventilation, and even massage functions. Cargo space is decent for a Grand Tourer, with room for a couple of weekend bags or golf clubs. The infotainment system includes a 12.3-inch touchscreen that can rotate to reveal classic analog dials, a feature unique to Bentley. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Naim audio system are all standard. Connectivity is seamless and intuitive, with multiple USB-C ports and onboard Wi-Fi. On the safety front, the Continental GT doesn't cut corners. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a head-up display. A 360-degree camera and night vision assist further enhance driver awareness, making it both a luxury cruiser and a tech-forward safety cocoon. To wrap things up, the 2025 Bentley Continental GT continues to embody the ultimate balance between power, luxury, and innovation. With new hybrid technology and unmatched elegance, it's more than just a car, it's a statement. Thanks for watching USA Cars Diaries. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more high-end car reviews. See you in the next one. Let me know if you'd like a version for the convertible or speed variant too.